Okay, so as always, you look to see first, do you have any common factors to take out? In this case, no. Then you're going to take your y squared term, which is a -2, and your number term, which is 15. Multiply those together. So -2 times 15 equals -30. So we need to look for two numbers that multiply to -30 and add up to -7. So I know it will be a negative and a positive number, and that the negative number will be bigger. So I'll try -10 and +3. -10 times +3 is -30. -10 plus 3 is -7. So that's the right. These are the right pair. This is the right pair of factors. Okay, now you're going to rewrite the equation. So this equals 15. Instead of the -7y, put -10y plus 3y. And then we have a -2y squared. Now you separate into pairs. Take a common factor out of each pair. So 15 and -10y, those have a common factor of 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. -10y divided by 5 is -2y. And then here we have 3y and -2y squared. So it looks like these have a common factor of +y. If I take out a +y, 3y divided by y is just 3, and -2y squared divided by y is -2y. So now you have two groups again, and now they have a common factor of 3 minus 2y. So take out your 3 minus 2y common factor. And what's left in the second bracket? You have a 5 and a +y. So 3 minus 2y times 5 plus y should be your final answer. Next problem. Okay, you're going to look for any common factors to take out. Oh, in this case, each of these terms are divisible by 5. So we'll do that first. 5 times 15k squared divided by 5 is 3k squared. 5k divided by 5 is just k. And -10 divided by 5 is -2. Alright, so you've taken out the greatest common factor. Now you need to see if this inside the brackets is factorable. So you'll take your k squared coefficient, 3, multiply by your number term, -2. 3 times -2 equals -6. We need two factors of -6 that add up to +1. So +3 and -2 should work. 3 times -2 is -6. 3 plus -2 is +1. So now we rewrite this expression in the brackets. So 5 times 3k squared plus 3k minus 2k minus 2. Split the terms into two groups. Take out a common factor if there is one. So 5 times the 3k squared plus 3k. It looks like they have a common factor of 3k. So 3k squared divided by 3k is just k, and 3k divided by 3k is +1. So now this -2k minus 2, looks like they have a common factor of 2. If I took out a +2, -2k divided by +2, I'd get a -k, which is no good. So I have to take out a -2. Then I get -2k divided by -2 is +k. And -2 divided by -2 is +1. Don't forget your end bracket. So now you have two terms in here. They each have a common factor of k plus 1. So take out your common factor. 5 times k plus 1 times your remaining elements are 3k and a -2. So times 3k minus 2. And there's your final answer.